Do you just ever happen to run out of all clothes in the middle of the week, like on a Thursday, and just realize that all your clothes are in the wash? Or on a Tuesday, you just realize that your entire room is totally cluttered, even though it is just the second day of the week? Do you happen to randomly forget about some plans that you made during the week and realize that you forgot about it later? If you are anything like I used to be, you most likely have a really disorganized week. Well, in this video, I'm going to try and help you through it. I'm going to try and make sure that you do not have a very mini anxiety episode during the week because of not having an organized week like I used to. So yeah, if that sounds like something you need, then do keep watching. As I already mentioned in the intro, I used to have a really cluttered week and I could never keep my entire week organized, or I'd feel like, my entire week is messed up and I couldn't really fix it like in the middle of the week. So the key that I figured out is not something absolutely new. It is something that you guys have definitely already heard of. It is to have a Sunday reset routine. And I know you probably have heard of it. There are like a million YouTube shorts and a million YouTube videos based on a Sunday reset. But I want to tell you that the reason why it is that popular is because that is how you organize your week. So basically what I do is, the main things that I need to do that I have to get done in a week, I personally divide them into 4 different categories. And the categories that I have, firstly, it is self-care. The second one is decluttering your mind. The third one is chores. And the fourth one is relaxation and rest. So if you look at self-care, the things in self-care is basically everything that you feel like you need to look put together. Like, at least in the look wise, they make sure that you are put together. Like washing your hair, or maybe a maintenance routine, I don't know, like doing your nails and doing a proper blowout for your hair. Or if you maintain curly hair, then doing an entire curly routine, because you can't do that entirely in the week. Like, not always, you don't always have time to spend 3 hours to do a curly hair routine in the middle of the week, right? Things like oiling my hair, or doing a hair mask or a face mask, or any nail trimming that you have to do. You basically know all the things that come into self-care in the physical aspect, right? That is the first category. It is to make sure that once you do this on a Sunday, you won't really have to worry about it until another week. Okay, the next category, decluttering your mind. Now this category is completely based on your mental self-care and making sure that you have everything set up and you don't have, not to say any anxiety, but less anxiety during the week. So this includes a weekly task dump, writing down random tasks that you remember that are just floating in your mind. Then comes planning for the week ahead, like making sure you have a good schedule or updating your weekly calendar and stuff like that. Another thing is clearing your phones and laptop files, your emails, and all of that clutter, because imagine if you go in the middle of the week and you do not have storage. I've been there like way too many times and it is not fun. It is absolutely not fun. In the middle of the week, if you randomly get an email related to your work and you are just searching for that email in 2,000 other emails that are there because you didn't clear your Gmail last week. And also setting weekly reflections and intentions. Set weekly goals to make sure you have a clear idea on what is your biggest priority for that week. The third category is chores. If you clean your room on a Sunday and you start fresh on Monday, then when it comes to Tuesday, you will not have that Saturday clutter, because you clean the clutter on Sunday, if you get what I'm saying. Making sure you have enough clothes for the week. Like, you wash and you dry all your clothes and you fold them, basically doing your laundry. For those of you watching who will be going to college next year, which is like moving out, I think it is a good thing to learn to do your own laundry, changing your bed sheet every Sunday. If you are, in college right now and you have to make your own meals, then this category also could include meal prepping for the week and stuff like that. Buying groceries enough for the week, paying your bills, making sure you have zero debt, however you pronounce it, and stuff. So all of those come into the category of chores. After that, you have relaxation and rest. Now this category is of course my favorite. It's anyone's favorite. But what this category includes is the time that you spend doing stuff that you like. If you love reading books, you could just light up a candle and just read a book for an hour. And also you could watch a nice movie, you could watch a documentary, you could watch your favorite show. If you are someone who likes trying out new recipes, you could try that. If you are someone who likes to go out, then try out new restaurants in the place. This is also the time that you spend reconnecting with your friends. You could call your friends, hang out with them, you could have a get together, you could randomly just Zoom call your friends, I don't know, or just text your friends at least. Do feel free to add in any category that you feel like you need. Like if you are a school student right now, an extra category could be making sure all your assignments are in order, planning out each assignment to make sure that you finish them before deadlines, and making sure that you don't have any incomplete notes. Or if you are someone who just started working, you could make sure that you are in time with your projects, to make sure you organize the way you do your projects and stuff. Basically, this Sunday is almost like the backbone, or like the reset day for the entire week, to go as smooth as possible with you having the least stress as possible. Generally people, they're like, okay, the entire week I have stressed, so Sunday I'll relax. And yes, you should relax on a Sunday, but also make sure that you set some time to make sure that all of these are set, so that you don't have to stress out in the week that much as you are stressing out right now. It'll just make your work easier. You'll have less stress about your work, you'll be able to do your work faster, it gives you more free time, and overall I think it's a good system. I have tried doing the Sunday reset routine for 2 months now, and it has definitely helped me. I can definitely say that. I can see how much this routine would actually help me if I were in college right now. The thing is, I feel like I'm skipping college a lot because no one's going to college, right? College as in, I mean high school, junior college. Yeah, that's what you could say. I'm skipping junior college right now. I have Saturdays off, I have Sundays off on my own, of course. The college doesn't give us any holidays. I could definitely see this really helping me when you have only one day. Just using that one day really wisely helps you have a really smooth week. The entire week you'll have less stress, you'll get more stuff done, you'll have more free time. It makes sure that you don't have those mini anxiety episodes. You don't have to worry about a lot of stuff. You could worry about this much stuff instead of worrying about this much stuff. So yeah, that is the solution that I have found for dealing with having a disorganized week. I think now you can really see how this actually helps you keep things organized. The rest half of this video is going to be a vlog, basically me showing you what I do in a Sunday reset routine. Make sure that you add categories that you need, remove anything that you do not need. I just gave you the basic 4 categories that everyone might have. Just make sure that it's personalized to you and it benefits you in the best way possible. That's it. If this video did help you, then please give this video a like. Also, if you are new here, hi, I am Vennelaa. I post videos about self-help, some vlogs here and there, and basically post things through my perspective, and I hope that helps someone. I also post about everything I learn about. Right now I'm 17 and I'm still navigating being 17, and then I'll be navigating being 18, college and stuff. So if that is something that you are interested in, then do subscribe if you like my content. I am still learning to make better content, to edit properly and stuff. So you may not find many old videos that helpful, but I will be posting more new ones, and I hope that this video helped. Also, in the last video, one new person subscribed. If you are that person, you made my day. Like, no joke, you literally made my day. I'm so happy that you decided to subscribe. Anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day.
Save me. Why won't you save me? You gave me your whole self. I gave you help. All you need is yourself. You don't need my help. No one's help. You don't need my help. All you need is yourself. You said that you can't trust a word that I've said, and I can't even burn it. I know that it's hard to forget what I've said, and I can't even burn it.
So guys, after writing everything down, I just realized how much stuff I had to do and how much stuff was actually there. And now that I have it all down, I can plan my week based on the task down. I'll be planning my entire week. I'll be allotting some of the tasks from whatever I've written to different days of the week. Make sure that I complete the most important ones by the end of this week. I will be reflecting on my week and setting intentions for the next week. You could also do this with me if you are watching this on a Sunday or any other day. The first question is, what pushed you farther from your goals last week and how can you avoid that this week? I think for me, it is definitely not waking up earlier. I am not going to lie on the internet and say that I've been waking up at 4 a.m. because I haven't been waking up at 4 a.m. for the past week. However, I do want to change that this week. The second question is, what habit do you want to focus on this week? The answer to that is, I really need to start studying, and I have not been studying for the past 2 weeks. I have been studying at tuition, but that is not enough study. I need to start prioritizing that because exams are coming up and I am going to be so screwed if I don't start studying. I have had 11th grade as an experience to make sure that I'm not that pressured. I never ever want to go through that pressure ever again. The first thing that I do in the morning always gets done. For me personally, it always gets done and I'm like in deep focus mode. So I definitely want to wake up and study because otherwise I won't be able to study the entire day. I know that for a fact. Okay, I think I don't really need this question, but I guess this question is for you guys. You guys could answer that. What are your 3 major goals for this coming week? If this is not your first Sunday reset routine, after these questions you could try evaluating what you said last week. Like last week, what was the thing that you wanted to avoid and did you avoid it this week? And there are like a million prompts on Pinterest. I love doing this on Notion, so I'll be showing you my Notion, but you could totally use a journal for this. Okay, this is the Notion page. So I'll basically add in anything that I have. So when exactly is 16th? On Thursday. This Thursday I am attending a birthday. It's basically very simple. I just have these Monday, Tuesday things. It's a weekly outline and I have this thing written, the focus of this week is to focus on studies, and I just go on adding tasks like this, and the point of this is not to like stick to a really strict schedule or anything. It's just to have your week very nicely outlined so that you know what you have to do in the week, and at least if you don't finish everything, you at least finish more than what you would have if you just had all of these tasks floating around in your head throughout the week.